JMK Proinkshop, March 6, 2025. I have a HP officejet Pro 8600 Plus that it shows a cartridge problem. One or more cartridge appears to be damaged, black color, and then I got it through the things, yeah, from the offer up. Actually, she posted it with like this set of genuine cartridges, extra large size, and with this one. But I didn't want the cartridges, so told her to sell it to someone else so she get more higher price for the cartridge itself. Actually, she posted for like $35 for set of genuine cartridge, extra large size, and this printer. And she said she tried with other set of cartridge but didn't work, so she thinks the printer broken. So I just got the printer for $10 and told her to sell the cartridge because it wasn't expired. The warranty expired date on 2025, we're close to 26. So I told her, post it on eBay or somewhere, or to get a higher price. Say she would do that. Actually, not much different, but on eBay, each sale price will be like on those extra large size will be like around 60 to 80 with the original package. Because reason why is there are some fake cartridge going around. Most of the cartridge doesn't come with a package. There's a fake cartridge from China. It looks exactly the same as OEM, but it's actually sold through the back door of the HP factory. So we don't consider it as a HP genuine. So people are always comparing the price with that one and the HP original. So like I told her, like post it on $60 to $80 and easily sell. So she'll do that. Anyway, let's focus on my printer. So now it's belong to me, and I'm gonna fix this printer and make it work, and then sell it back to the customer. Whoa! I don't think I can sell it back because I mean, printer by itself is clean, okay, but as I see the look inside of the printer, looks pretty. It's like it's a lot of pages. Probably at least like 30 to 40,000 pages, at least. So let's check what's going on. Yeah, I noticed that she been used HP genuine cartridge only. So. Put the other cartridge now. See what the message shows. Yeah, there's a still ink in the cartridge. Except for that one. So I got black here. So use cartridge install. Okay. Some paper in. It's raining outside, and so it's kind of pretty noisy. It's kind of heavy raining out there. So, the roof is leaking, so water is dropping. Yeah, I hear the pumping sound very weak, which is the chipboard lining might be peeled off. I'm gonna show like a print message soon. Even it's not, if not, I'm gonna repair that too. Also, this paper stopper is broken. It's supposed to be a quarter. Yeah, it's showing the cartridge of damage, which means like it keep on giving the message on that. So let me check that out. What's going on? So I'm gonna take the head off and check it. Okay. You see here, it's peeled up here already. So in the middle also. So this caused the problem. So I'm gonna glue this one first. Set them up. Clean the surface with a printhead. The UV glue. Apply the glue all around the edges and except a little tiny space right here. This morning I went out like 10:30 and start picking up the printers from the LA area. Pick up the 6 printers and came back 3 o'clock. And I gotta do a lot of work today. Right. So nothing on the surface. And just put it back where it was. And then give a light on. Can't change the battery. Okay, that is a cool week. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna do the printhead lens. I don't think it's clogged, but I'm gonna check on this chamber. I'm gonna check first if there's any leakage on it. Nothing. 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 Okay, chamber okay. Let's pull out the ink first. Magenta looks okay. Science okay. Well, it looks fine. That looks okay too. Alright, so the printhead was okay. The only thing, the problem was the chipboard. Ooh. And I'm just cleaning out cleaning some the ink mud sludges the bottom of the printer. Yeah, this one. Okay. Now print is done. doing some Alright, let's put it back on and then testing it. The damage. 조금 yellow cartridge.